Good morning class. Today we perform the activity number 17. Objective of this activity to find the time when area of rectangle given dimension become maximum. If length is decreased and breadth is increased at given rates. Material requires chart paper, paper cutter and cardboard. Now how do we perform this activity? First, demonstrations. Take a rectangle R1, dimension is 8 cm into 4 cm. Let the length of the rectangle is decreased at the rate of 1 cm per second and breadth is increased at the rate of 2 cm per second. R1 rectangle cut of the dimension, this is the R1, 8 into 4 cm and R2 rectangle cut in the dimension 7 cm into 6 cm and R3 cut of the dimension 6 cm into 8 cm and R4 cut of the dimension 5 into 10 cm. R5 cut of the dimension 4 into 12 cm. And last one is R6 rectangle cut of the dimension 3 cm into 14 cm. Now area of rectangle R1 8 cm into 4 cm is equals to 32 cm square. Now length is decreased of 1 cm per second and breadth is increased 2 cm per second. That's why length of R2 is 7 cm and breadth is 6 cm. And area of rectangle R2 is 42 cm square. Now similarly R3, length is decreased at the rate of 1 cm per second and breadth is increased at the rate of 2 cm per second. That's why after 2 seconds, length is 6 and breadth is 8 and area of R3 is 48 cm square. Similarly, length is decreased at the rate of 1 cm per second and breadth is increased at the rate of 2 cm per second. After 3 seconds, area of rectangle R4 is 5 cm into 10 cm because length is 5 cm and breadth is become 10 cm. So area is 50 cm square. Similarly, after 4 seconds, length become 4 and breadth become 12. So area of rectangle R5 is 4 into 12 is 48 cm square. And area of rectangle R6 after 5 seconds, length become 3 and breadth become 14 and area of rectangle R6 is 42 cm per square. Now observation. Rectangle of the maximum area of 50 cm square after 3 seconds. After 3 seconds. Area of the rectangle maximum after 3 seconds. And maximum area of rectangle is 50 cm square. Now application of this activity. This activity can be used in explaining the concept of the rate change and optimization of a function.